In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Minecraft is currently not available in your account. The first thing that you want to try is come here and search for Task Manager. Go to Details. In here you want to go to the M section and you want to look for any Minecraft related stuff. So that can be Minecraft.exe, Minecraft Launcher, whatever with Minecraft, and then you want to click it and end the task. Once we made sure there's nothing Minecraft opened, then you want to come here and search for Run. Type in wsreset.exe, press enter, and this is just going to reset your Microsoft Store. Let it load for a little bit, and once it's done loading, you want to click on your icon up here, and then you want to press sign out, and then you want to press again and sign in. So basically signing out and signing in of your account. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to come here and you want to search for time and date. You want to open up the date and time settings. You want to set the time to automatically. If it's already on, you just want to turn it off and then turn it on again. And then you want to sync now. Once you've done that, you want to close it down. And then what we can do is come here and search for app and features. Come in here and look for Minecraft. So here, the Minecraft launcher, not the normal Minecraft, but the launcher. And what you want to do is click on it and click on advanced options. Or you can search for it down here and right click and go to app settings. This is going to do the same. In here you want to press terminate, then you want to press repair, and then you want to press reset. Once you've done all of that, close it down, head over here and search for Windows Update. Open up the Windows Update, take the latest update if you have one, close it down, restart your PC, and now it should work. If for some reason it's not working, what you can do is just reinstall Minecraft. So you can go back to apps and features, search for Minecraft, click uninstall, and then open up the Microsoft Store and reinstall it. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.